How to set up a sudden acceleration alert on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle accelerates suddenly? You can do that by setting up a sudden acceleration alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a sudden acceleration alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Select the Alerts module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Sudden Acceleration Alert. Select Sudden Acceleration Alert, and then click View Alert Settings under Sudden Acceleration Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Now select sub-user name and vehicle group name to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected sudden acceleration alert in the form of real-time notifications. Enter the minimum speed value in metric units, that is kilometers per hour, for the chosen vehicle. For example, I am limiting the speed to 20 kilometers per hour. Further, enter the minimum acceleration in meters per second square for considering sudden acceleration. This will send you alerts only if the vehicle is going over the minimum speed and minimum acceleration limit. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the web, mobile app, or email. Check the option under the Trips section if you want to receive alerts only when the vehicle is on a trip. Click on Set Alert to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many sudden acceleration alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at hi@loconav.com.